I want to welcome you to the Haitian experience, brought to you by the Republic. If you a warrior, all hands on deck, hit me. If you ain't Haitian now, you are by association. Haitian by association. Haitian by association.
50 cents DJ Haitian, ooh kid, yeah, yo, puffy right hand man, half pure Haitian.
And Kid Fox, she be moving with the Haitian. Holland, Irene, Griots, the Haitian. Seeing Funk Flex, Haitian by association. Enough was raised by the Haitians. Martinez love the Haitians. Bobby and Chop, I get the dubs from the Haitians.
My homie Laz in Miami, tell him how to greet a Haitian.
Sac passe, not boule. Julie sauce, why usually on the entree?
And I got a lot of love for old drama.
And respect to T.I. from Tucson, St. John. And Camelo love the Latins, but got love for the Haitians. Yeah, and Cypher sound, murder sounds with the Haitians. I'm at the West Indian Day Parade with the Haitians. And if I ain't mention your name, you're Haitian by association. Haiti's rock for freedom. Hebrew, yeah. The whole world joined the movement. From the burbs to the ghetto. We gon' do this for the children. Yeah. Gon' do this for the orphans. Yeah. With the fathers and the
Black Dollar, Haitian, Melky Sadek Haitian, Jack Kibi Haitian, representing Busta Bus, Moon and Sky Haitian. The Chrysler 300 was designed by a Haitian. And when the Titanic sank on board was a Haitian. And when we watching NBC, the heroes, the Haitian, Haitian French Haitian. And the new wave of R&B we singing. Maxwell, half Haitian. And now I'm on the west side, game of the Haitians. Is our entertainment, Jimmy be the Haitian. And big up to Jersey, Queen Latifah, who be moving with the Haitian, Shaquin the mayor. And Claude Neja, the first Haitian designer from Montclair State. Show 5 seasons at Bryant Park, she Haitian. So when you see me with my Yele t-shirt, it's more than a garment, it's a revolutionary birth. I told no pride.
Haiti's rock for freedom. Anderson Cooper. The whole world joined the movement. Sanjay Gupta. We gon' do this for the children. Yeah. Do this for the orphans. Yeah. With no mothers
And I know NBA and NFL players that are Haitian. And HBO boxers is fighting for the Haitians. Man, that grandma, yeah, we be sipping. Some of them oranges, they come from the Haitians. The Three Musketeers was written by Haitians. And in Canada, the first black governor general Haitian. In 96, here come them Haitians. Fuji's dropped the score now, 22 million. But the credit should go for the Haitian. René Duplessis that built the Booger Base.
in the city of Chicago was founded by a Haitian.
And who do you think helped liberate South America? Haitians. W.E.B. Du Bois, folks were Haitian. First black man to get a PhD from Harvard. Michel Basquiat, father was a Haitian. 13.54 painted Garcelle Beauvais. Yes, you Haitian. When the Jamie Foxx show was the first time I saw acting.
So Krak, I wanna send a shot to one of the greatest writers in our time, Idris Antigua. So when I say Krik, y'all say Krak, Krik, Krik, Yele.
We gon' do this for the children. Yeah. We gon' do this for the orphans. Yeah. With no mothers and no fathers. If you ain't Haitian now, you are by association. Haitian by association. Haitian by association. If you ain't Haitian now, you are by association. We gon' do this for the children. Yeah. We gon' do this for the orphans. Yeah. With no mothers and no fathers. Haitian by association.